am back with another video, and it's just another proof this time. Sinus to A plus sinus to B plus sinus to C is supposed to be equal to 4 times sinus A times sinus B times sinus C. So once again, I try to write the formulas here that I'm going to use. It's possible I'm going to switch up and use something else. I don't know. I hope not. I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible and straightforward and do not make any mistakes, but you know how it goes. So this is what we're going to prove. And I guess we can start. And yeah, I will start as always by combining those two first terms, and then we will transform this a little bit just so it correlates to the rest and we can use it. So, what are we going to do now? I think this. And yeah, I'm going to make it step by step so that you can see everything. Yep. And now I'm just going to write sinus to C. And I'm going to transform it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to change this term, right? And I'm going to change it using a formula. This formula. Yep, so 2 times sine C times cosine C. Wow, that was easy, wasn't it? And now I will take a look at it. And I can see that I have a 2 here, I have a 2 here, and I have a 2 here. If I wanted to, I could write it like this. And then I could do something magical, and I would be left only with A plus B. So that's what we are going to do. 2 times sine of A plus B. Wow, that was easy. Times some cosine. And here's the same kind of magic, so I'm going to do that as well. Okay, just so you can see it. Nice. And yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say, what is this? What is this? It kind of reminds me of something. What could that be? And I'm going to take a look. And okay, I think that's going to be, that's going to be sinus C. I think. And now you can see that I definitely forgot to write it here. I wrote what cosine of C is. I forgot to write that. You can say that sine of C is equal to sine of A plus B. Now I fixed it. It's alright. Now you can understand it, hopefully. And yeah, I'll just write this once again. And of course, we will have to expand this bracket later on, but now I want to show you another magic trick in my pocket. And now we are at this term. Okay, so I could just write it and save it for later, but I think we could do this step right now. And you see this? And you see this? Okay. So I'm just gonna write this instead of that. Because what would I do with this? Nothing much. I have to transform it. Cool. And now, another magic trick. I see this and I see this, and it looks pretty similar. It looks the same. So I'm going to just write it here. Nice. And now I'm going to make a nice bracket. And inside of the bracket, I'll put the rest. I could write this like this, okay? Yep, that should be it. Hopefully, we'll see. Let me just write this like this. Now to the inside of the bracket. Let us see some sweet formulas. You see a minus b equals a plus b. So we are going to use this. It's nice. It's pretty chilled. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to try to not make any mistakes. And I'm going to put the rest of this in a bracket because I don't want to make a mistake when I'm playing with this bad boy. And yeah, again, the same, just with a different sign. Alrighty, so because I'm a little bit lazy, I'll make another magic trick. Just going to copy paste this and we will change the sign so you can see it. And we will take a look if we can clean up, if we can delete something. Let's make it a null. Yeah, I like that. It's my favorite thing. So I'm gonna delete the bracket and say, okay, that's nice. So what can I do now? I think this looks the same. And this looks the same. And this looks the same. Yeah. So I'm going to get rid of those two terms, including the minus sign, of course. And we are left with 2 sine c, and inside of the bracket, I don't have to write the bracket anymore. That's nice. So inside of the bracket, I see 2 terms, and they're exactly the same. So I can say 2 times sine of A and times sine of B. I'm just gonna write it. Sine of A, sine of B. And this is my result, but I need to change it up a little bit. We will shuffle it and we will combine 2 times sine C, 2 times everything, just so we have 4 times the whole thing. Yeah, see? And this will be the result. And we're almost there. Just have to write it in a nice manner. That is the easiest part. So as you can see, it wasn't really hard. You just have to be careful not to make a typo or just a silly mistake. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. So this should be the result. I'm gonna make it beautiful, and then we will make sure that it's actually correct. So yeah, it's correct. And that's the end. Thank you for watching.